Although it may not seem like it, our residential plumbing system greatly affects the way our home looks. If you walk into any kitchen, the first things to notice around would be the appliances and the sinks. For a washroom, it would be the tiles, the cabinets, sinks, and plumbing fixtures, etc. These items are included in any remodeling job, be it in a new house or the home we reside in. At times, people tend to overlook these small but crucial items and choose them without giving their choices very much thought. These decisions eventually lead to huge bills for restoration or replacements. Residential plumbing systems and the designs they come in should be part and parcel of any remodeling or new home venture. When you remodel your plumbing system, you should take into account both style and functionality.